Welcome back to the channel. What's inside a $200 million mansion? As we all know, mansions are big houses. But what makes a house a mansion? A mansion is generally defined as a large, sumptuous residence, especially one that has been elaborately furnished and decorated. The word typically conjures up images of sprawling estates with numerous bedrooms and bathrooms, acres of land and all the luxury amenities one could desire. But there is more to a mansion than meets the eye. From the architecture to the landscaping, every detail is carefully considered to create a home that is not only beautiful, but also functional and comfortable. So if you've ever wondered what it would be like to live in a mansion, keep watching to find out. Here are 15 things you will find inside a $200 million mansion. A grand entrance. The grand entrance is the first thing you will notice about this mansion. The high ceilings and intricate crown molding set the tone for the rest of the house. The sweeping staircase is not only functional, but also a work of art. And the crystal chandelier casts a warm glow over the marble floors below. As you enter the mansion, you can't help but feel like you have just stepped back in time to a bygone era of elegance and sophistication. A two-story library. As you make your way through the mansion, you will come across a two-story library with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves filled with classic novels and leather-bound books. Natural light pours in through the arched windows, illuminating the rich wood paneling and antique furniture. It's the perfect place to curl up with a good book and escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. A gourmet kitchen. Any chef would be envious of the gourmet kitchen in this mansion. Top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and granite countertops make this kitchen a dream come true. The huge island in the center of the room is not only practical, but also a great place to gather with friends and family while you cook up delicious meals together. The kitchen is open to the family room, so you can keep an eye on the kids while you prepare dinner or entertain guests. A home theater. The home theater is the perfect place to relax and enjoy a movie night in. With plush seating, a giant screen, and state-of-the-art sound system, you'll feel like you're in your own private cinema. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or your favorite childhood film, the home theater is sure to impress. A wine cellar. Wine enthusiasts will appreciate the wine cellar in this mansion. With thousands of bottles of wine stored in the temperature and humidity-controlled room, you'll have a private collection that is sure to impress any guest. The brick walls and dim lighting add to the cozy atmosphere of this unique space. A game room. The game room in this mansion is the perfect place to let loose and have some fun. With a pool table, poker table, and bar, you'll have everything you need to host a game night with friends or family. The room is spacious and well lit, making it the perfect spot to let your competitive side shine. A gym. The gym in this mansion is fully equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, including a treadmill, stationary bike, and weight machines. There is also a yoga mat and free weights for those who prefer to work out without the assistance of machines. Large windows allow natural light to pour in, making it a pleasant and inviting space to get in a workout. A spa. The spa in this mansion is the perfect place to relax and rejuvenate. With a sauna, steam room, and massage room, you'll have everything you need to pamper yourself in the comfort of your own home. The spa also features a large tub and shower with high-quality fixtures and finishes. A guest house. The guest house in this mansion is a luxurious retreat with a separate entrance, bedroom, and bathroom. It's the perfect place for visitors to stay while they visit you. The guest house also has its own living area and kitchenette, so guests will feel right at home. A swimming pool. The swimming pool in this mansion is a true oasis. With a heated pool, spa, and waterfall, you'll feel like you're in paradise. The pool area also features plenty of lounge chairs and umbrellas, making it the perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun. A tennis court. If you're a tennis enthusiast, you will love the tennis court in this mansion. The court is made of high-quality materials and has been professionally maintained. It's the perfect place to practice your serve or play a match against a friend. A putting green. The putting green in this mansion is the perfect place to practice your golf game. The green is surrounded by lush landscaping and has a pond with a waterfall feature. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy the outdoors while practicing your swing. A garage. The garage in this mansion is a car lover's dream. With enough space to park several cars, the garage also has a workshop and storage area. The garage is well lit and has plenty of room for all of your tools and equipment. A view. The view from this mansion is absolutely breathtaking. With panoramic windows, you can take in the beauty of the surrounding nature, whether it's a mountain range, ocean, or forest. The view is sure to impress and make you feel like you're on top of the world. A $200 million mansion is more than just a house. It's a symbol of luxury, elegance, and sophistication. From the grand entrance to the breathtaking view, every detail is designed to impress and make you feel like royalty. If you ever have the opportunity to tour a mansion, don't miss it. You'll experience a world of luxury and indulgence that you won't soon forget. Now it's your turn. Which room is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.